To customize always on display in the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down. Here we want to find personalization. Open it and then navigate into always on display. Make sure that your always on display is active. Then scroll down and first of all you will need to pick a different theme for your always on display. You can select your own theme right here, which will copy a clock and widgets from your lock screen onto the always on display, or you can select any option from those ranges like signature, analog, kaleidoscope, digital, or background. In select background you can add your custom image to the middle of the screen for always on display, and for each of those options right here you'll be able to select them and then customize them. Each of those options will also offer you different range of customization, and in this case we can change the text color for the clock, we can change the style for the clock, we can also change color automatically, which will add it some kind of a rainbow effect, let's say, and you can also enable or disable displayed item icons like battery or notifications. Make sure to always apply settings when you're ready, and then your always on display will be set. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.